Okay, second day students. Today we are going to discuss a very important 8 marks question. That question asked in board examinations in several times. Definitely this year will come that question. The syllabus is less this year. So in nuclear chapter, another topic radioactivity is also deleted. So this question is very important. Please listen this question carefully. Diagram of this question is very important, and also I will provide notes at last. Please take a screenshot that notes. Follow if you like that notes. I explain shortcut way. There is no unnecessary matter in that notes. So how the question asked in examination? Let us discuss. What is nuclear fission? Explain the working of nuclear reactor with a neat diagram. Here, nuclear fission is nothing but whenever heavy nucleus 92 uranium 235 heavy nucleus is bombarded with neutrons, then it splits into two intermediate nuclei. It splits into two intermediate nuclei, and some neutrons, some amount of energy is liberated. This process of heavy nucleus split into intermediate nuclei is called nuclear fission. So let us see that equation. 92 uranium 235 plus 0N1 gives rise to, it splits into two intermediate mass nuclei, 56 barium 141 and also krypton 3692, 3 neutrons plus some amount of energy is released. So this principle is used in atom bomb. Very dangerous principle this is, and this reaction also takes place at room temperature. This reaction also takes place in room temperature also. Okay. So and also by using this energy we can produce electricity. The device which convert nuclear energy into electrical energy is called, that device name is nuclear reactor. Nuclear reactor. So no need to write a lengthy matter, just I explain in step wise. Please follow. First you write essential parts in nuclear reactor. Essential parts in nuclear reactor. Nuclear reactor. Number 1, fuel. Number 2, moderators. Number 3, control rods. Number 4, radiation shielding. Number 5, coolant. Okay, last how the electricity is produced. Working of reactor. How the reactor works. These 6 points are enough points. No need to write extra points. And also the diagram is very important. Let me explain how the diagram looks like, and I will explain diagram. See this diagram. Okay. So this is a nuclear reactor diagram. Okay, and these are control rods. These rods are control rods, and this is coolant. Okay, and this is fuel. This fuel is filled in cylinders, and moderator here, moderator, and these are the fuel, and these are the control rods. These are the control rods, and these are the moderators. These are the moderators. Okay, and this is a water in a tank, and this is radiation shielding. This is radiation shielding. Radiation shielding. Right. Now, how this nuclear reactor works? What are the essential parts in this nuclear reactor? How the nuclear reactor works? Now we are going to discuss that working of nuclear reactor with essential parts. Fuel. First part is fuel. So we take 92 uranium 235 or 92 uranium 238 or 92 uranium 233 used as fuel. These are the uranium isotopes, and they are sealed in a aluminum cylinders. They are sealed in a aluminum cylinders. Just you write only those points for the fuel. Moderators. Moderators. What are the moderators? The substances which are used to reduce the velocity of neutrons are called moderators. That means in nuclear fission process, neutrons are released. If these neutrons speed is very high, then they may not be reaction takes place, chain reaction takes place, so that their velocity must be reduced. Okay, the substances which are used to reduce the velocity of neutrons are called moderators. For example, heavy water and graphite. These are the example for moderators. So you write only those points in moderators. And control rods. The reaction takes place in a nuclear fission is nothing but chain reaction. That chain reaction should be controlled by absorbing neutrons released in the fission process. How the chain reaction control? By using the control rods. By using the control rods. When the control rods are inserted inside, then automatically these control rods are absorb the neutrons and they control chain reaction. Which one used as control rods? Number one, cadmium and beryllium. These are used as control rods. Number 4, radiation shielding. Radiation shielding. Radiation shielding. Radiation is very harmful. Radiation released at the nuclear reactor is very harmful. Alpha, beta, gamma, this type of radiation is very harmful, and this is harmful to the persons working at the reactor. So that by using suitable shielding such as steel or lead or concrete walls, we can protect the persons around the reactor. That is called radiation shielding. Radiation shielding. Number one is nothing but coolant. Coolant. The substance which absorbs a large amount of heat energy at the reactor and keep the reactor at room temperature, that substance is called coolant. Generally, the coolant is nothing but water or liquid sodium. Liquid sodium used as a coolant. Okay, these are the 5 essential parts. Just write few points to the every subtopic. 92 uranium 235 or 92 uranium 233 or 92 uranium 238. These are the fuel. Now, how the working of reactor takes place? Working of reactor takes place. So when uranium nuclei undergo fission process, then what happens? Fast moving neutrons are released. These fast moving neutrons are controlled velocity. Their velocity is controlled by the moderators. When they pass through the moderator, then what happens? Their velocity is decreases and their kinetic energy also decreases. This low energy neutrons are called thermal neutrons. They play very important role in chain reaction. So control rods are used to control the chain reaction. When the control rods are inserted into the reactor, they absorb the released neutrons and they control the chain reaction. Okay. Now this heat generated in the reactor is used to heat the water. Due to that heat, we get steam. Water gets heated and steam is generated. The steam is sent to the turbines. This steam is rotate. High pressure steam is rotate the turbines, so that the turbines are connected to the AC generators. AC generators, they start working. In this way, electricity is produced. So let me explain this whole matter using the diagram. Here right, this is a aluminum cylinder. These are the aluminum cylinders. In these aluminum cylinders, these are the aluminum cylinders. In these aluminum cylinders, fuel is sealed. Okay, whenever chain reaction takes place, whenever nuclear fission process starts, then what happens? Here neutrons are released. These neutrons are absorbed by the moderators. These are the moderators. Okay, and the fast neutrons are becomes thermal neutrons. When these are the control rods. These are the control rods. Whenever these control rods insert into the reactor, these control rods absorbs excess of neutrons and they control the chain reaction. Okay, now the heat produced in this nuclear fission process is used to heat the water. Here this is the water. Now the steam is generated. When the water is heated, that steam is high pressure steam. That high pressure steam is used to rotate the turbines. Whenever the turbines are rotating, AC generators start working. Whenever AC generators start working, then what happens? Electricity is produced. And this is what this concrete wall. This is a concrete wall. Nuclear radiation is very harmful to the persons working at the reactor. To protect them from nuclear radiations, there is a wall is constructed of thickness 10 meter. that is a concrete or a steel or lead wall. This wall is known as radiation shielding. Radiation shielding. In this way, electricity is produced. In this way, electricity is produced. Now I am going to show on topper notes. If you are interested, please take a screenshot. Please take screenshot of this topper notes. So you write like that. Okay, nuclear reactor works on the principle of control chain reaction. Essential parts: moderator, control rods, okay, and radiation shielding. Radiation shielding. Radiation shielding. And this is about coolant and working of reactor. These are the points. These are the points of working of a reactor. Okay, please take a screenshot of this notes. I draw this notes. Write down this notes. This is a very shortcut notes. Radiation shielding. Radiation shielding. Okay. Control rods, moderators, fuel, and nuclear reactor was on the principle of control chain reaction. Control chain reaction.